gonna show you a day in the life of a business intern in the greatest city in the world, the New York City.
I'm studying political science and international relations.
Digital marketing. I'm a public relations intern here in New York City.
An event production management intern in New York City.
The area is super nice with super friendly people, a lot of shops and a lot of fun stuff to do around. And I'm eating a bagel, which is like a super New York thing to do.
I have done events in the beginning of the summer, like Nike Go Skate Day. I helped out with the Picnic Festival on Governor's Island.
One of the best things about my work is that we have a lot of people from different places all around the world.
I'm from Russia.
And I'm from Italy.
And I'm from Korea.
My time here in New York City has been amazing.
You're going to learn so much and you're also going to have so much fun. You're going to meet amazing people.
I would always tell anybody to do something that scares you because it will lead you to the most greatest discovery.